Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum to the USDC on Zondacrypto. Obviously, we are looking at this using the Japanese candlesticks. Very important technical support begs to be placed on our chart. This is the level of 2090. That's the technical support. Here we got, of course, deeper penetration of this level. Nevertheless, we can still see that it works. It pretty much works. The level between 2000 2100 is still our debut zone. Now we got a very long lower shadow here on this daily candle. Then we have a bullish engulfing pattern. Then we have extension to the upside, and today we have a very small candle, low volatility. We are still waiting for this movement to the upside to continue. Let's take a look whether the momentum would allow this. Now the situation in the momentum is, as you can see, it's not that obvious right now because we are still below the trend line. We bounced from the level of 34 points, so almost extremely oversold. But we never got there. We moved higher, but we didn't break or test above the level of 50, the neutral level. So we are still into the bearish territory. So breakout above the level of 50 is needed on the RSI. Breakout above the trend line is needed to confirm it. And the same situation can be seen here on the chart. So basically right now, let me just make it a little bit bigger. There you go. So we need just the upper part of the chart. Right now we can obviously have this trend line here. For example, let's say it's going to be attached to this one candle. We got some kind of a breakout, but you can see the hesitation. The traders doesn't know whether they want to go higher or lower. Neither bulls nor bears are right now in charge of this market, and today we might continue to test this trend line, and then of course continue the breakout towards the level of 2555, and then obviously 2637, and then eventually 2869. So with that situation, obviously the momentum will be way above the level of 60, 70 somewhere where the extremely overbought conditions are. But for now, it doesn't actually look like this bounce to the upside is genuine bounce to the upside, and the correction to the downside is over. Right, very deep correction, even for the Ethereum standards. Very long upper shadow doesn't actually look. This down shadow, and this doesn't actually produce any rally. Okay, it just produced the bounce. So the dips are being bought from the support, from the demand zone. That's fine, but we are not rallying. We are not making new higher highs, which is this is very concerning in the Ethereum market. So please keep an eye on the current situation. Keep an eye on the developments. There's only a few days, less than a week, for the second part of the year 2025 to be over and the month of June to be over. So maybe when we get closer to the month's end, the situation will be much more clearer. Right now, we don't actually know whether this market wants to go higher or not. So bears are still in the control of the market, and we should see some kind of a response from them soon. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.